Removing all AI features from Windows 11 involves disabling or uninstalling components that include AI or cloud-based functionality. While you can't remove every trace of AI, since some features are built deeply into the OS, you can greatly reduce or disable them. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Disable AI in Search and Start menu, Bing, Suggestions, etc. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Search Permissions. Turn off Cloud Content Search, Search History on this device, Search Highlights. 2. Prevent background activity of AI features. Windows apps and telemetry can run in the background. Go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. For each app, like Weather, Widgets, Feedback Hub, click ... Advanced Options, set background apps permissions to Never. 3. Install Windows without AI features. ISO editing. Use NT-Lite or Tiny11 Builder to remove Copilot, Web Experience Pack, Cortana, etc. before installing. Disable AI features and telemetry by default. 4. Disable AI in the on-screen keyboard, Touch Keyboard. The Touch Keyboard uses AI text prediction and suggestions. Settings, Time and Language, Typing. Turn off Show Text Suggestions, autocorrect misspelled words. 5. Delete or block AI DLLs and services. Manual file removal. Dangerous and can break Windows features. Backup first. Some DLLs related to AI and Copilot. Copilot.dll, Copilot Runtime.dll, Web Experience Host.exe, Search App.exe, Widgets.exe. And that's it. You've just taken full control of your system and stripped Windows 11 of nearly every AI, cloud, and telemetry feature it tries to sneak in. From disabling Copilot and Cortana to blocking hidden background tasks and removing AI suggestions, you're now running a much leaner, more private, and less intrusive version of Windows. If you found this helpful, drop a like. It tells the algorithm, ironically, that this info is worth sharing. And if you're going full bare metal and want a custom debloated ISO or a switch to Linux, let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more deep-cut tech guides, not surface-level fluff, but real system control. Stay smart, stay private, and I'll see you in the next one.